I'm going to be unbagging this brandless toilet repair kit. It comes with a ball cock, the refill tube, and two, I think they're guide arms, and a float rod, a float ball, flush handle, tank ball, and I don't know what it's called, and then this piece here, I don't know what that is either, but it got no brand on it. It's just a generic toilet repair kit. Need two hands. So, got it open. Here's the ball cock. Looks like a knockoff Coast Foundry. Here's the tank ball. It's very slimy. And it also has no brand. It says Taiwan. Here's the float ball. It's kind of smaller and more round than most. Here's the handle. It's very rusty. Also made in Taiwan. Here's the float rod. And here's a guide arm. Here's the refill tube. A shorter guide arm. And the piece to connect the tank ball and guide arm to the Douglas valve. And all that's left in there is rusty water. So that's the tank to bowl kit.